Lambrusco na, madam!
Are you all excited? Who will be the grand champion for the Run for a Cause? Excited na ba sila?
Excited na ako, ano, excited ako sa Lambrusco ni Miss Lafa.
Ikaw pala, so
And now, ladies and gentlemen,
without further ado, the best cultural costume will be able to receive an amount of 100 euro in cash.
yes, 100 euro. Oh my God.
The sash will be given by, or the trophy will be given by Isabel Leo. The cash will be able to given by
Isabel.
Lucina Benito for the OIC.
Ayun, ate,
Yes. For the sash, Menli Cargo, and sash by Lucina Benito. Ladies, you did a great job. Congratulations to all of you.
Yes, o ito na. Hawakan niyo na yung mga trophy niyo kasi baka magkagulo-gulo na tayo dito. At syempre, magsisigawan sila. Di ba? Pati ako. O partner, eto na.
Yes! Are you all excited? Who will be the best cultural costume? But before that, I would like to ask from the crowd, do you have any idea which number who will get the best shot?
Alright, so, eto na kasi hindi sila ang judges. May judges tayo. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations!
For the best cultural costume champion for 2025, you've got it right, candidate number 15!
Ayan. Sila muna kasi magpupotograph pa tayo.
Photograph ko na back.
Dito na lang, ayan. Diyan na lang siya. Ayan. Tapos Miss Leia Ferry, pwede dito ka na Miss Leia Ferry. And since
Until 6th grade, please come forward to have a picture taken.
dito ka, my friend.
Sabi ko na!
Dito sa tabi.
Ay! Huwag ka! Ay! May mga tao dyan!
Second runner-up. Sa gitna siya. Ayan. Ayan. Dito ka, Ate Sabel. Mag-picture muna kayo. Ayan. 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 Kompleto kayo ng mga runner-ups? Ayan. Okay. May compress kayo ng konti. Huwag kayong mahiya to each other.
Okay na!
Don't be shy to each other.
Compress!
Ayan. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3,
Uy, tayo pala panalo, ha?
Ayan. Thank you very much.
Kuya! Diyan ka natin, no?
Okay na? Okay. So, dito ka na, baby. Dito ka na, babes. Dito ka na, my friend. Ayan.
Diyan ka na sa gilid!
Ayos ka?
Madam, diyan ka na sa
Ay,
gilid!
dito ako. Of course.
Okay! Inano nyo na si Alay.